Hey guys, Tech Enthusiast here, and today I will explain Windows 11 requirements and TPM or Trusted Platform Module. I will also show how to check if your computer is eligible for Windows 11 upgrade. Furthermore, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for great Windows tutorials and explanations. Let me know in the comments down below if you are upgrading your Windows 10 to Windows 11. And with that being said, let's take a look. Let's start with which processors are actually officially supported with Windows 11. If you are Intel user, Intel 8th generation is first on the list for officially supported processors. Then all generations newer are all supported officially up to latest 11th Gen Tiger Lake processors. There is also official support for Intel Xeon Skylake SP up to Intel Xeon Ice Lake SP. For AMD, however, Microsoft decided to exclude first generation of AMD Ryzen processors from officially supported list. So AMD Ryzen 2nd generation and newer are all officially supported with Windows 11. Then there is also official support for Threadripper 2nd generation and newer, and AMD EPYC 2nd generation and 3rd generation as well. There are also some officially supported processors from Qualcomm. And at this point you might be questioning yourself, will my computer run Windows 11 if my processor isn't officially supported? Short answer, yes, but originally Microsoft also noted that CPU generation requirements are soft floor limit for the Windows 11 installer, which should be allowed some older CPUs to be able to install Windows 11, but with a warning. Let's continue with RAM. For Windows 11, you will need at least 4 GB of random access memory. And what concerns of storage, you will need 64 GB or more available storage to install Windows 11. And additional storage space will probably be required to download updates and enable some specific features. For graphics cards, you will need GPU compatible with DirectX 12 or later, so NVIDIA's Ampere, Turing, Pascal, Maxwell, Kepler and Fermi GPU architecture. On the other hand, AMD's Radeon R5, R7 and R9 200 and 300 series, as well as AMD RX 400, 500, 5000 and 6000 series, and AMD RX Vega series. All these cards need to support for VDDM 2.0 driver as well. For system firmware, you will need to have UEFI capable machine with secure boot enabled. And here we are, at the elephant in the room, TPM, or as I told you before in the video, Trusted Platform Module. So what is TPM? This technology is designed to provide hardware-based security-related functions, so that means encryption basically. Now, scalpers already did their thing and raised the prices of these chips on the market. However, most of you probably have these chips on your motherboard. You guys just need to enable it for yourself in BIOS. For example, my system is 4 years old, Intel platform, and I enabled this setting in BIOS, but it was not called TPM, but PTT or Intel Platform Trust Technology. For AMD, on the other hand, you need to enable fTPM, which is Firmware Integrated Trusted Platform Module setting in the BIOS. I hope that I explained it well, and now you know and understand what TPM is. And at this point of the video, I would like to say that if you are enjoying the content so far, a sub to the channel is much appreciated. Now, move on to the display. You will need 720p display or higher resolution with at least 8 bits per color channel, and of course, internet. Microsoft also stated that Windows 11 Home Edition requires an internet connection and a Microsoft account to complete the device setup on first use. So my speculations on that statement are that if you have Windows 11 Home, you cannot have offline account and you will need to have Microsoft account connected to the device, when setting up the device itself. So on the other hand, if you have Windows 11 Pro, you can continue with setting up Windows 11 Pro in offline mode. Now we came to the question, how can I check if my device is eligible for upgrade to Windows 11? So Microsoft released a tool called PC Health Check app, which will tell you if your device is eligible for upgrade. They also updated the tool that if you aren't eligible for upgrade, it will tell you what is wrong. So I will also put link in video description down below for official Windows 11 website where you can download this tool. And with that being said, thank you all for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed the content, and if you did, a sub to the channel is much appreciated. With that being said, I see you all in the next one. Peace.